Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's closing bell time as we prepare for Plug Power's earnings. Let's get ready for Plug Power. Lots of people have been sending me messages throughout the day. If you are a member, I will focus on you and answer your questions. I know many of you have questions that you have the desire to find an answer to, and we'll discuss that today. It's been a general market sell-off though. However, if we look at our overall portfolio, which is down very slightly, Roth IRA is down much more where I'm not trading. That shows you that the markets are down and that I've got defensive stocks in there. So let's have a little look and see what's moving. It's no surprise at all. What we've got today is a general sell-off. Virgin Galactic, however, is up today nearly 18% and holding, and every reason why it would go up in the after hours. Whereas Palantir, as we said, it's too expensive. It's coming down. Gold is going up as a defensive. The S&P is going down. Many people have messaged me saying, oh, it's a terrible day. The S&P is going down. Well, it's actually quite a good testament to the fact that Virgin Galactic is up so much when the markets are down. Wait till the markets return and then we'll see another 10-20% on Virgin Galactic. Why is the S&P going down? Well, it's quite simple really. It's too expensive. It's why I sold it when I was 17% up and I'm out of it. As you can see, I've got none, waiting for it to come down to the 380s. It's too expensive. It's quite simple as that. That's led by Amazon. I don't know how many times I've said Amazon is too expensive. It's way too expensive. So I'm waiting for it to come down. Apple. Everyone's been chasing Apple. Apple are now slowing. This is what the Fed wanted. They're reducing prices of their phones. They're losing their margins are being decreased. It's too expensive. People trying to chase a stock that makes no sense. That's the one that makes sense. This is the one that's losing money. Keep saying the same thing over and over again. Enphase Energy, that's down because it's following the trend of the big caps. However, got a good dividend, I'm holding. It'll return quickly. Enphase Energy, same thing. It doesn't want to go below that 70. It's coming back. It's going to be a 4x. Coca-Cola sold off and now it's coming back up again. Everything's got oversold today. I've sold nothing, but I bought some more Robinhood. Let's get onto it in a second. J&J, oversold. My lowest ever price is the only price I'm prepared to pay is 145. If it hits 145, I will wait for it to go a couple of percent lower. This doesn't move 10-20% in a day like other stocks does. I will buy another 100 shares, but not yet. It's not low enough today. Kenvue is green. Chevron is now coming back up. Tesla is okay. I bought it at 185. That's when I last bought it. Rivian just follows the leader. And all it does is follows Tesla. If Tesla goes down, Rivian goes down. It has got no mind of its own because it loses money on every car it sells. McDonald's safe bets is down a little bit, not that much. It's just following the market. Google down, but I'm still up. I bought it at the right time. Microsoft is down. Walmart is down today, but trying to go back up again. Tesco, too expensive. Tilray Brands, rubbish. Told you. Out of the stock, not coming back. Rubbish. Won't pay anything for this stock. You couldn't pay me to take Tilray. Robinhood, it went down to 805. What did I do? I bought another 100 shares. And there is my 100 shares at 805. 805, is that 98? 805. Well, 805.98, yeah. So basically 806. It's gone slightly lower since then, but nothing to shout about. I won't buy another 100 until it goes to 750. Keep lowering that, and of course I'm overextended, so I was down 10%. Hello, Lost Prince, how are you? I was down 10%. I'm now down just 7.7. We can rise that in a day because we're down today by nearly 4%. Then I'll start reducing it to clear some of that margin. I'm overextended. IonQ, still too expensive. Too expensive. Rocket Lab, great. Am I adding more? No, I've got enough. It's down, but it's now coming back up again. Plug Power. Tonight is their earnings. We're going to hear from Plug Power tonight. We'll be covering the earnings after the show. The link is in the chat and the link is pinned to the top. Are you red? Even counting in space? Yes, I'm red, but I'm not really. It's difficult to explain. I'm heavily into margin, so my overall gains and losses are amplified because it doesn't show the full value of my stocks. My stocks are somewhere in the region of about $80,000. So it's a percentage of that, which is only reflected in the 36,000, hence why the trends are bigger. But as you can see, Virgin Galactic is strong. It's holding and it's going back up again, despite the market sell-off. Let's move on. FFI, rubbish. FFIE's rubbish. How many times do I say it every day? Rubbish. Rio Tinto down. Bitcoin, it's trimmed off. Overbought, crazy. Polygon, it's pretty much, it's great. I mean, it's all up, great, but I'm not buying it. I'm just staking it, earning money from it, pumping like this, and so on and so forth. Thank you to those of you who did support me today. You saw the video. I said, I need you. I'm trying to do good for charities, and I've asked you today if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my music channel. 5,520. It moved by about 5. I'll give you the link right now if you can, if you've not yet done it. There is my music channel. As soon as I get to $10,000, I'm going to do fundraiser events for charities all over the world. Well, there's no fees, no charge. Subscribe to my channel. You don't have to watch me, follow me, support me, donate, anything at all. I just want to get there so I can do the fundraiser giving that YouTube allow you to do. So thanks for those of you that took part in doing that. It's about 5 or 6 so far. Got a long way to go, but we'll get there. No doubt about it. Right, let's have a look. MSK. Martin, I do have questions that I need answers to. always rely on MSK. I have questions I need answers to. What's the purpose and meaning of life? No idea, mate. No idea. I'm as baffled as the next man, to be quite honest. Ain't got a clue. I think the secret of life is to realise and understand and know there isn't a secret. That's the best secret there is. To know there isn't one. What are you thinking about Plug today? Raman, I haven't done any research on it. I haven't had time. So I don't know. I've got a position. I'm holding it. I'm not looking to add. It's not a sort of stock I want to add. I just want to be involved in the hydrogen business. So I want to have some exposure to it. But I have doubled when it went down lower, but I'm not going to be doubling again and anything like that. I don't know enough about it. We're going to learn more tonight. Hi, Martin. How you doing? Hello to all. Hello. Hi, Stephen. Lovely to have you here. We answered that. Buckaroony. I bought 560 Rocket Lab today at 424. Very nice indeed. Maybe it would be nice to find some hidden gems with a crazy negative sentiment. Absolutely. I have 7 questions and I want to have them answered immediately. I have 7 questions and I want them answered immediately. I'm a member. God damn it. I pay you $2.99 a month, and I demand my answers. And I don't just have 1; I have 7. I love it. Oh, there we go. Anyway, crazy world, innit? We should be ready in a minute. I wouldn't be surprised if we turn green. Sorry, I wouldn't be surprised if we turn green in a few minutes. Remember, when you see my portfolio down, I'm not bothered. I'm constantly digging the ditches. I'm constantly buying more shares at lower and lower and lower prices. I've been doing the same thing for 2.5 years, constantly buying the lower prices, never paying more, never buying a stock when it goes up, only buying in it when it goes down, and only buying in it when it's down my lowest ever price. And that's what I'm doing consistently over and over again. That's why I've said now we leave Virgin Galactic alone. We're done. Virgin Galactic can grow now. It doesn't need me to chase it or do anything. Do you think this further downside to space try and cost average weighted for earnings, but it ran on me? Do you think this further downside to SPCE trying to cost averaged weighted for earnings, but it Sorry, could you rephrase that? I don't understand the question. Sorry if I don't, but I don't. You need to say it differently. Let's have a look. What is everybody asking? What is going on? What is going on? What is going on this afternoon? We've got some members to update if you've not yet been updated. Are we on public mode right now? Are we in public mode, general public mode? I think we are, aren't we? I think we're general public. Yeah, we are. We'll go members later. Okay. BA, welcome to Bronze. Is BA in the house? I've got some members that need upgrading. No, not here. Who was it as well? Who was it? There was somebody who asked me about accepting a friend request on Facebook. I don't see you in the chat. Chris, you are, yes. Chris said, yeah, see, I sneaked in with a comment. Yes, you are. You're general public because I can say hello. He said, all right. Zed Inc., I'm with the lot. I'm with the lot. I have questions. Can you please oblige? I'm with the lot. I'm with the lot? That doesn't even make sense. Oh, trying to buy more space. Do you think it will drop in price? No. Is the honest answer to that? No, I don't think it will. I think the days of 150 are gone. I think you're never going to see it again because we're not going to have dilution now. There'll be some scalp trading, but you got to realize we are in a day today where everything popped and everything got dropped. It's what happens. It's exactly what the institutions did before Virgin Galactic earnings. They dropped it and bought it back. So everything is dropped now. We're going to get a rally. We might even get a rally into the close. And as soon as we get a rally into the close, the sentiment is going to return more bullish and Virgin Galactic's going to go up again. I mean, I don't know. I haven't got a crystal ball, even though I have. I haven't got a crystal ball because at the end of the day, I don't know. I just know that the stock's going to go to $100. I know it's going to squeeze. I know the earnings was great. I know the sentiment is now good. I know interest rates are coming down. Short term, the day to day, the minute by minute, I predict it quite a lot and get it right quite a lot. But I'm looking at the long term. I'm not concerned about this Virgin Galactic now. I can kind of forget it, to be quite honest. So I don't know if it's going to go back down again. I doubt it, to be quite honest. And what's going to happen as it breaks the $2.50, you're going to start seeing real FOMO then. And then you're going to get the short squeeze. And then people are going to start chasing it on the way up. Well, they could have bought it. They could have bought it now at 180. Still a good price. It's still undervalued, especially as they're not going to dilute. It's even better value than it was before. Anyway, I'm with a lot of questions. Can you please oblige? Zed Hink. Martin, you are the best. You are the best person. Thank you for all. Eligio, that's very nice of you. Appreciate it. I love doing this job. It's great. It's awesome. Love it. I'm with MSK and Tio, the lot. You clearly didn't listen to Martyn Lucas Investor, mate. Yeah, you didn't listen. You didn't pay attention. Now it's your fault. Now the chance has gone. Now you had the chance. Keep telling you. You don't listen. You can't come here. You can't come here later on and go, well, what can I? Too late. Too late. You missed the boat. Anyway, it's plug earnings tonight. Plug earnings. Whoa, look at the subscribers. That's an acceleration. Just keeps on rolling, keep on rolling, keep on swimming, keep on swimming. All right, plug power. This is where we're going to be in a minute. This is interesting. And thanks to all the new members. Look at all these new members today. Bonkers, isn't it? Gold, Jose Quintana, look. We've got plug tonight. Last time we had plug, he was sitting there drinking. Clearly, we've got the plug CEO so confident in his ability, he can just get drunk on the earnings. I've never seen that. You'd expect that from Elon Musk. You don't expect that from this CEO. But however, it's what we got. So that was interesting. So get ready for a rocky ride tonight. Should be good. Right then, who was it? Who was it tonight? If you look on Discord, whenever somebody buys some merchandise, right, it pops up here in the merchandise tab. Somebody today, very cool, bought a black mug. Who was it? Because it just says anonymous. Anonymous. Somebody bought a mug and somebody bought a very cool unisex full zip hoodie. In black with the logo. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Let me have a look at that, by the way. So what you've got with this, hang on a minute. Is there a link to that? Yeah, look, there's a link to this. Visit the site. So who was it who bought that? I want to know. Apparel. There we go. That one there. Somebody bought this. That's the front. And that's the back. Very good. There you go. Look at that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? So anyway, one of you bought that. I want to know who it is. Somebody. It comes up in Discord. Doesn't tell me who. It's like top secret or something. I don't know why. Right. Look at this. Stephen Lewandowski. Stephen Lewandowski. I got that. I missed a question from Paulette, one of my members. Hang on a minute. I got a reply. Reply. Sorry, I will take a look for you. That's Paula from Argentina. But Stephen's got something. 61 watching. Where is it? 100 likes record. Yeah, I know. Look at that. Yeah, I know. Look at that. 100 likes. That's the most in a normal show. And Stephen Lewandowski sent in a picture. I like that. I like it a lot. I'm gonna give both of them a like. Can everybody else give it a like as well? Don't be so lazy. Hang on, where's it gone? Bloody hell. It's hard, isn't it? It's hard doing it when you're on the telly. There you go. Done it. Okay. Right. Thank you, Stephen, for that. Will the CEO be drunk? That's the question I want to know. Best earnings ever. Martyn, you need a t-shirt with I'm loving it on it. You say, oh, right, I'm loving it. You need a t-shirt with I'm loving it. Kevis Schools, if I make a t-shirt with I'm loving it on the back and on the front, on the back and the front, would you buy it? Would you buy it if I make a t-shirt? Kevis Schools, all right. Okay, I'll write that down. T-shirt. I'm loving it. I do that. I'm loving it. All right. I'm loving it. There you go. I'm also going to do a t-shirt with the Titanic with Virgin Galactic taking off because everyone loves that picture. So I'm going to put that picture, right? That picture on a t-shirt. You know, the Captain Smith, the Titanic and the rocket. I'm going to put that on a t-shirt. It's going to be great. Anyway, record 100 likes. There you go. Let's go back. Virgin Galactic. Yeah, it's holding up. Martyn, you need to put space to 100 at the back of that hoodie. That's a good one. Space to, hang on. So SPC to $100 on a t-shirt. I like it. Some great ideas. If you give an idea, though, would you buy it? I'm not going to spend hours making that if you don't want it. Would you buy it? If I make a t-shirt, space to 100, would you buy it? That'd be great. McDonald's will come for you. McDonald's will come for you. McDonald's will come for you. Why? Why is McDonald's going to come for you? What's going on? What's happened with McDonald's? Anyway, no. Kevin School said, no, I don't want to buy it. Martyn, you need to do a t-shirt saying I'm loving it. And I went to him, would you buy it? He went, no. What sort of suggestion is that then? What sort of suggestion is that? Do a t-shirt with that on it. I say, all right. Do you want to buy one? No. What's the point of that? Good evening. That's a McD slogan. I'm loving it. Oh, I see. Oh, McDonald's will come for you. Now, I don't care. I'm loving it. I'll put I'm loving it with a G on the end. They can't do nothing about it. Ed Spitzer. Yeah, I missed that one. Yes, I would buy it. This is MSK. MSK would buy it. So I'm going to do space to $100. I'm loving it. And we'll have this as well. All right. We'll have it. We'll have this. We'll have this logo as well. This would be brilliant, wouldn't it? Imagine a whole t-shirt with that. Space to 100. Add that on a t-shirt. Bloody right. That's what I'm talking about. There you go. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. How about that? Okay, we'll do that. Yes, I would buy it. There you go. That's their logo saying, I'm loving it. It's a McDonald's slogan. Not, I'm loving it. Well, I'll knock the G off then. One way or another, I'll do it. Let them come. Yeah, Mike will take care of it. Mike will take care of it. Anyway, I got Mike. See, they haven't got Mike. I ain't bothered. I got Mike. They'll go, you can't use that. And Mike will go, hey, oi, I'm here. Mike's here. No hoodie. No hoodie. You want a t-shirt? All right. Is that because it's cheaper? No, the hoodie. No, t-shirt. Not the t-shirt, Martin. I want a hoodie. Listen, when I make a design, I put it on everything. So when I design something, it goes on a mug, a t-shirt, a jigsaw, pair of socks. It goes on everything. So it doesn't matter what color, what size, where you are in the world. It's on everything, all right? So there you go. I let you decide what you want. I ain't bothered. You choose. All right. I'm getting $10 worth on Friday. It's my monthly, and I'm buying. Robinhood. Robinhood Fight Channel is buying some Robinhood on Friday. I love it. He's buying it on Friday. That's good. You want to get it before it goes to the UK. I want a hoodie. I'm loving it. That's probably better. I'm loving it. That's good. That's good. Stephen Lewandowski's nailed it. I'm loving it. That's it. Stephen Lewandowski's nailed it. So you can always rely on Stephen Lewandowski. Look, I'm loving it. Yeah, like you say, you don't want McDonald's. I don't want McDonald's ringing me up going, oi. You know what I mean? It's like, he's got a point. He's got a point there, isn't he? So, yeah. There you go. Martin, what do you think with Tesla? Let's get back to business. No more t-shirts. No more t-shirt talk. Tesla is selling off because the overall markets are selling off. It's not a surprise, really.
Kevsicles has become a member.
Kevin Schools says, no, I'm not buying a t-shirt. I'm not buying a t-shirt. I don't want, even though I suggested it, but I will become a member. Oh, my God. I can't believe it. Kevin Schools, thank you very much, Kevin Schools. You know about all the perks, right? Do you know about the perks, right? Do you want the, don't forget on your birthday to let me know it's your birthday so you can donate it or celebrate it on the show. And if you do it on the newsletter, you'll get a birthday card as well. And here's Discord so we can upgrade you so you can call into the show. Friday, phone in tomorrow. I bet you any money you like. Zach Zate's going to phone in. Guarantee it. Guarantee. Tesla, it's very expensive, but now is the best value it's ever been. It's like 60p, isn't it about 60 now? Price to earnings ratio. This is the forward, but this is behind this figure. It's like, I think it's like 60 now. That's a really good value. Remember, Virgin Galactic, Tesla's been up to like 170, 170. So it's around about its best value now. So I've been buying it at 185, but it's a general sell-off. It's a general sell-off, and all their people are doing is dumping it to buy it back. I never follow that when that happens. Buy or sell. You want to buy or sell? I don't know your position, do I? It's a good deal. It's just not the best deal. It might go slightly lower, but you've got to ask yourself, do you like Tesla? I love Tesla. I saw one today in my town. Well, I didn't, but one of my neighbors saw the Cybertruck in my town today. In my town, we saw the Cybertruck. This is going to get really big very, very quickly. So I'm not concerned buying Tesla now. I just don't need to. I'm already in. I've got enough. I can't keep buying forever and ever and ever. Awesome. Put it on the mug too. MSK. So yeah, I'm loving it. And what was it? I'm loving it and space to 100, wasn't it? Yeah, I'm loving it and space to 100. There you go. Nikunj, Tesla is down today. Is it a good price? It's not the best price, but it's a good value overall now. Considering we've got the Cybertruck out any day, I've like the general release. I've already seen one. Well, not been me personally. One of my neighbors today has seen one in my town. It's just a matter of time. So Tesla's good, and when the rates come down in the spring, I mean, you know, we are middle of November, second week of November now. It's not that long. So all we've got today is a sell-off. Yeah, I think it's good. I last bought Tesla at beg your pardon, not 185, 195. It's not really cheap enough for me to buy anymore because I'm fully in. I can't just keep buying it. But you know, I'm down 9%. I would like to lower my average a bit more, but you know, I haven't got infinite money. Yes, Stephen, Chris Pickering. Hopefully profit taking. Bit disappointing. It's not getting past $2. Chris, what do you mean? The markets, great stocks, the S&P are all selling off today, and you're worried that Virgin Galactic is only up 18%. Chris, what are you saying? It's fantastic. The overall markets are down today, really big, and Virgin Galactic is up 18%, and you're disappointed. If this had come on a day when the markets were bullish and buying the stocks, we'd have been up like 40% by now. What do you mean? Why are you... What? This is the trouble with people who don't know what they're buying. They'll get fearful and sell it and go, oh, this is terrible. Oh, I'm getting out of this again. Well, that's what the market's supposed to do. Don't fall at the first hurdle. Crazy. Absolutely bonkers. The institutions aren't buying it. When it pumped this morning, they're holding it. They're not going anywhere. What we got now is a few retail investors who selling their stocks, taking a few profits. That's crazy when you look at how much down Amazon is today. Look at that. 1.25%. Apple's down 0.5%. It's crazy. And yet Enphase Energy is down 1.76. Coca-Cola, J&J, 2%. One of the best dividend kings in the world is down today 2%. And you're worried because Virgin Galactic is only up 18%, 18.5%. I mean, that's brilliant. And I wouldn't be surprised if we get an after hours as we do on a Thursday very often. Anyway, Stephen Lewandowski, genius. Welcome, Kevin Schools. It's never good enough, is it? It's never good enough. It's never good enough, is it? It's never good enough. Space to 1,000. Oh, Dream High. It's Dream High. It's lovely to have you here, Dream High. This is the lady I wanted to speak to you about. Dream High. Now then, it was very, very special person here. Hang on a minute. Let me just check something. Very special person. Dream High. Stay right where you are. Dream High today. Let me just look at this a second. Dream High. Hang on. Back to my comments. And we're looking for... Here we go. Add that. I haven't responded. There we go. Look at this. Look at this. So which video was it? It was the earnings. Virgin Galactic earnings. Earnings. There we go. How can that be? How can that be? Right. This is Dream High. I'm not sure how this has happened, but look at this. This is amazing. Look, Dream High 576. You're a member here 2 days ago, but you're not a member here 6 hours ago. That's very strange. You should be. Anyway, look, the point is Dream High 576 went below 2 videos and gave me a super thanks. I want to thank you for that. It was We Did It. So if I go to We Did It, I just want to thank you for this because this is very nice of you. We Did It. We Did It. Hang on a minute. So videos. Here we go. Here we go. We Did It. This was the most recent one. This was today. Okay. Hearing more about the plans that will take. There you go. And if I scroll to the bottom, there you go. Look. Dream High it highlights your comment. It's called a super thanks. It's when you want to highlight a comment. You'll see it brighter than this because I'm in dark mode. You'll see it as a bright orange thing. For me, it's dark mode, so it looks better on the camera. But that's the second one she's done in a week. Anyway, I wanted to thank you for that because that was really, really kind of you. Anyway, I just want to balance a couple of things out for you. Just a moment, because you're saying Virgin Galactic to $1,000. I just want to be absolutely clear. When I say $100, it's because of a lot of different metrics and what I've looked at to get there. All right. There is nothing in my projections or models or anything at all which suggests $1,000. Absolutely not. It'd have a market cap bigger than Apple. It doesn't make any sense, right? To me, it can go to $100, not because it's worth it, because it can trade there, because people will get excited when Taylor Swift flies and she's got the $1 million ticket and people will all want to buy a share of Virgin Galactic. That's what's going to happen, right? There's no reason for it to go to $1,000 at all. I mean, I can't say what's going to happen in 20 years' time. If they're flying 50 people a day and, whatever, then maybe. But I don't see that. I love your enthusiasm, though. But I wanted to thank you for your super thanks under the videos. It's very rare I get that, so thank you very much. Yes, I've been listening in, Kevin Schools. He's been listening in. Just bought 8,000 shares. My price, $9. Need to buy more. You just bought 8,000 shares. $9. What have you just bought? My price, $9. Do you mean Hood? Just bought 1,000 shares. My price is $9. What stock is that? What stock have you just bought at $9? It can't. Is it Hood? Is that your average? There's Hood. $7.99, still going down. So what's deep dive? Best case scenario. So what's deep dive, best case scenario, and worst for Space Martin? Sentiment now. The best for Virgin Galactic? Well, I've said $100 all the time, not because it's worth it, because it can trade there. And the worst would be 160. Really? I don't see it hitting 150 again. Really? I don't think it's going there at all. I think as soon as we get a green day, when the S&P is moving up, especially when we get an announcement of interest rate cuts, we're going up 30%, 40% like we did today in a day. So yeah, we just got to wait for that really. Yeah, it's a negative day on the market. So how's it rating on your program? You want to look at this? Yeah, SPCE. We've got to put a new model into this. SBCE not available yet. We're still working on some valuations here. Best case, yeah, we've got limited information on this. I'm talking to Alpha Spread about doing this. It's not yet been done. There's a model that has to be run through, and we haven't yet got it. But yeah. There isn't a really usable model yet for Virgin Galactic. As soon as there is, I will bring it to you, right? But so there isn't anything that we can use yet on here to really measure it. It's too early. It's too new. Alex, Martyn's Crystal Ball is pretty good. That's for sure. Alex. Which Alex is this? Let's have a look. Which Alex is this? Alex, how you doing? There you go. Chris, Fed again. That's probably why not so. Yeah, exactly. We got the Fed today. All we got to do is wait. Give some patience now. Just bought 8,000 shares of Space. Wow, Paris, you've just bought 8,000 shares of Space now. My average cost is 920. Oh, I'm with you. I see you're lowering the average. Okay, that makes perfect sense. Perfect sense. If you are at 9 or 10 or 20 or 30, of course, if you're buying it now that's not a bad thing. You could have bought it like me at 150. However, 180, 190, $2 is not a problem. Now you know the roadmap. Now you know there's no dilution. It's still great. It's only because we got a down day. I mean, it's up 18%, but, it could have been up a lot more than that. And it was earlier, and it will be again. Space to 100. There it is. So put the Cybertruck and I'm loving it together. I'm poor, so won't buy it. Chris says, I've got an idea. Put the Cybertruck and I'm loving it together, but I'm not buying it. But you would need to throw them out when it's at 200. Yeah, at 200. Martyn Lucas, enamel pins could be a fun idea. Little pins. I like it. Chris Pickering, I'm not fearful. Been following this last 6 months. Even with my med exams, been going on chill. Chris Pickering. I'm just a poor student. Chris, I'm right with you, mate. I've been a poor student once. I was always a poor student. Happy Thursday, says James. I'm pissed it didn't go to $5. What do you mean? How could it today? People have been messaging me. It's so funny. The moment there's a little part of my prediction that doesn't come true, they go, you said it was going to short squeeze at 2. No, I didn't. If you actually listen to what I said, it will short squeeze from when it gets to 2. 2 is the beginning. I didn't say at 2 it's going to automatically short squeeze. I said as we pass through 2, we are now in short squeeze territory. But there's a lot more to do. A short squeeze is a very complex thing. It doesn't just trigger automatically because I said it would at $2. It's part of an overall structure. There's more to do, but the whole market is down today. There's more to do yet. We're not there yet, but it's going to happen. Have patience. Are you missing my comments again? Zed Hink, no, I'm not missing your comments. I'm reading it right now. Let me get through it. Can we get a room tour? Nishan Singh. You want to see around the studio? Nishan Singh. Are you a member? No, you're not a member. So no, you can't. That's members only. He's going, I want to see around the studio. Only if you're a member. Imagine we got a run to 250 before the close. Yeah, could happen. Thursday night, very often it does. Big weed earnings day, CGC, Kronas and ACB. How soon do you think it will go to $10? Come on. I get these questions all day long. I cannot give you an exact prediction when it's going to do an exact price. Come on. What do you think I am? For mind reader. What's alpha spread say now that today's run on space? Zed Hink. I just said we need to get some updated software on our alpha spread. All right. That's my. Let me look down at the sentiment. Let me look at the sentiment today. 7 days today. There you go. There you go. You want to look at the news, the sentiment that we've got, running the software. Okay. Over 90 days, that was a sentiment. All right. 40% positive, 35 negative. Boo. And then over 30 days, 42% positive, 38% negative. Boo! Over 7 days, 42% positive, 40% negative. Hooray! Getting better. Today, 45% positive, 40% negative, hardly any neutral news. So there you go. You can see the green get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. There we go. So there is running through our software, our algorithm, and as you can see, the positive news is getting more and more positive. I guess that's the best way of saying it, right? All right, there you go. Anyway, dream high. You must be dreaming and high to be hoping for $1,000 if in your lifetime, but loving the hope. I'm loving it too. I've got no problem with that. If Dream High wants it to be $1,000, I am okay with that. Space. I bought 8,000 shares of Space. My cost average is $9.20. I love it. Thank you. Sorry to repeat. Thought you missed my comment. I don't miss anybody's comment, especially the members. Especially the members. I think in 10 years it will be Dream High. She's loving it. She's dreaming high. And there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. She's dead right. Why not? It's the only space company, and it'll only be the only space company too. I can't see it becoming a multi-company, faceted industry. That's one or that's it sort of thing, right? So this is what I say to Dream High. This is for you. She packed my bags last night, pre-flight, 0 hour, 9 a.m. I'm gonna be high as a kite by then. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not a man they think I am at home. Oh no, dream high. There you go. Dream High has her very own song. She can clip that and save that. Dream High, you have your very own song now. Dream High, that's because you're dreaming high. I guess it is. Oh my Gideon, I am happy to be back with the family. Stormin Norman. Stormin Norman is back as a member. I don't know why you even left, to be honest. I mean, what's wrong with you? I am 38 minutes too late. Yes. I'm live at the same time every day. How could you possibly be late? How could you be late? I'm always here. Stormin Norman. This family really does represent the retail investor. Can't wait to see where we go from here. I know where we're going to go from here. I'm going to turn around and have a cup of tea. Or is it latte? Latte today from the lovely Leah. Mike, Leah's brought me a coffee. Latte. Right, who wants one of these mugs? We're doing it. We're doing a special deal. We're doing a special deal, right? If you go below the video, where is it? Is it on the video? Is it on the video? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Right. Look here. Look on the video, right? Look, see? A special mug, look, special crystal ball mug, right? If you have one of these mugs, you are definitely 100% going to make money. It's like guaranteed, right? I haven't even got a crystal ball mug. I've just got this one. I need a crystal ball mug. Could someone buy me one, please? I got a latte today. Oh. And if you buy a crystal ball mug, you can have it in any color you want. You can have it in blue, you can have it in black, you can have it in white. I mean, what's the favorite color? I don't know. Is that cool? All right. Whatever color you want. I've even got a t-shirt, all right? Whatever you want. If you send me a picture in, I'm going to put it around the outside of the show. So everybody's on the show. I haven't yet done it yet. I'm still working on it. Takes forever to get these things done. People, smash the like. Paris 22. Do as Paris says. Dream high. I am teasing. I have over 20,000 shares of space, and 1,000 a share would be bloody amazing. But I don't see it happening in my lifetime. I can see it happening. Dream high, I'm with you. Don't listen to MSK. 18% in the red is 18% in a red day is wonderful. Exactly it is. It's phenomenal. Stop moaning. Ding dong, good year evening, good year evening, Martyn. Thank you for all your bright ideas. Can you please comment for ALB and NKLA? Ding dong, if you are a member, I can do a full review, but you're not. So I've got to focus on the members. Sorry about that, ding dong. Oi, Martyn, you said that $2 short squeeze would happen and I'd be a millionaire. Okay. You didn't say that, but nice to sound like a shorter for 1 second. I like it. Stormy Norman. Don't join that club, Stormy Norman. That'll take you down a very dark hole. You don't want to be like that. You'll be like the little hobbit sitting in his house on his phone like that. He's getting his little phone and he's going, I'm going to get this Martyn Lucas. He said I'd be rich by now. I'm going to text him. Your channel's rubbish. Don't know why you do it. Don't know why you always go members only. Well, because we have 98% members and everyone is great. Well, I think it's rubbish. Don't know why you always do it. And why do you always say Virgin Galactic's going to go up when it doesn't? Well, it has. Get it. So Stormy Norman, you don't want to be one of those because they're funny. They're funny little creatures. They sit in their mum's bedroom and they moan. You don't want to be one of them. Do you really want to be one of them? I wouldn't be one of them if I was you. Very sad. It's very sad people. When do you think it will go to 10? I want to know now. Paris 22. He won't give up. I'm not going to tell him. If he wants to know the secret of when it will go to 10, he has to be a member. He's not a member. Martyn, can you take a look at Fun and tell me what you think? If it's undervalued, going to add before the earnings tonight, waiting for a 5 million buyback. You want to look at Fun? All right. You're one of my members. I'll do it for you. Right. I'll do it for you. You're one of the cool kids, right? You're in the gang. Let's have a look. Funware. Okay. Funware. If we go to the best case scenario, it's undervaluation. If we run it through our software, it does come out as the best case undervalue. At a base case, it comes undervalue at 24%. At worst case, it's overvalued by 29%. However, you remember you can always pay 25% overvalue for a growth stock, which it is. So at that worst case, it's just about there. So that's not too bad. This is not a full test. We're not doing a full test. Don't buy it on this basis. Relative value is 66% upswing. That's good. Let's have a quick look. We're not doing a full test on it for you right now, but we'll do a little bit. Financials has been growing. We've just started to cool off a little bit at 17.8 million, which is down 10%. Operating income is down 29 million, which is a benefit of 2% up. That's very good. Operating income. Let's have a little look. The balance sheet, we've got 40 million on assets and 22 on liabilities. So the balance sheet looks good. Gross margin, 23% margins. I'd need to compare it to the industry, but we do have a reasonable margin. I don't know how good that is in the industry. I need to compare it. The profitability score, 25, it's red, it's not great. +3 3-year revenue growth. That's what's holding it down at the moment. The solvency score is 32. We can give it a 32 score. I like that, but it's not ideal. We'd like to see it. It's not red. It's amber. It's about to turn green, but a little low. Short-term solvency isn't good. The low Altman Z score isn't good either. If we scrolling down, the good news is there's no inside trading. The people in the company aren't selling it. They were dumping it 9 to 12 months ago. August the 31st. August the 31st was the last transaction, which was made very small though. Who sold $15,000 of it? That's nothing at all. That doesn't even focus. That's just a tax thing. Michael Cole-Glazier on Virgin Galactic does that all the time. Let's have a look over the last 90 days. If we look over the sentiment, is it sexy? Is it attractive? Do we like it? Over 90 days, we are looking at the sentiment was okay. Good, not much negativity over the last 30 days. Negativity's coming in a bit. 7 days, it's all negative over the last 7 days. And today we haven't got any news yet, but over the last 7 days, negative sentiment. So not looking that hot at the moment. Overall, I wouldn't be chasing it. Negative. The negative sentiment would be, we've just found this on the Motley Fool. The software company stock is still up roughly at 1.5% year to date, but it's also down 69.5% from its 52-week high. That's just come in from the Motley Fool, as you can see. So it's not one for me. But are you looking to buy it tonight? I'm not going to do a full review or back test or anything like that. We just wanted to do a quick thing there for one of our members who asked for it. Okay, back to the main portfolio. And wouldn't be surprised now if we get a rally after hours on Virgin Galactic. I would say 80% chance we'll get a rally after the hours tonight. How soon will it be till it hits $1,000? James, stop it. You know what you're doing to me. Can you just, for under a minute, show intrusion, INTS, for under a minute? TO roll, what are you doing to me? We've got 5 minutes to go, and now you're asking me to show something else. My gosh, what is going on here? These members can be very, very wild animals sometimes. Just like, they're like the shorters. You got to watch them. Right, okay, just for you, my little friend. Oops-a-daisy. What's going on? Why won't it zoom in? Catastrophe. All right, don't worry about it. The best case is undervaluation by 70%. We're running it through the algorithm right now, and we will get an undervaluation of 46% on the base case. Worst case scenario, undervalued at 12%. Upswing from Wall Street, 65%. Let's have a quick look. Its revenue is down by 8%, 6.4 million. Operating income has increased up 4%. Okay, balance sheet, 4.7 million. Assets, 15 million in liabilities. 4.7 on assets, 15 million on liabilities. That's not what you want to see. There you go. Solvency score, 16. Could go bust. Very, very low solvency score. That's the lowest I've seen. Of all the analysts, of all the surveys we have done on the stocks, 16 is our lowest solvency score, bar none. 16 is very, very low. Long-term solvency, not good. Positive net debt, not good. Short-term solvency, not good. Profitability score, yes, it's making profit. It's got a nice margin of 66%. However, its balance sheet, if we look at it, the balance sheet, accounts payable 1.8 million, short-term debt 10.9 million. It's got a bit of debt there. If we go closer into the debt, you can see short-term debt 10.9, 11 million in fact. We don't like that. It's a company with high debt and high interest rates. Not good. I think that was more than a minute, wasn't it? That was more than a minute. I was way too nice for you. And here we go. As expected, in the after hours, we'll probably get a little bounce on Virgin Galactic. All right, there we go. 1,000 pence maybe. Martyn, I'm still struggling to become a member. Can I donate some other way to you instead? Can I donate? Yes, you can. You can. On the screen, can you see it? Look on the screen as it goes along the screen. You can do what's called crypto giving. If you want to support the show, have a comment on the screen. So even if we are in members only mode, you can have a comment come on the screen. It will read it out. It will read it out. It runs below the screen and it has done for the last year. It is martynlucas.com/tip. There we go. I've given you the link in the chat. There you go. All right. So if we are in members only and you want to be able to leave a comment, you want to reach me, you want to support the show, yes, you can. martynlucas.com/tip. It's a really fun way of doing it. And you can do it for 1 cent. Whatever you want to do, you can do that. All right. So I've just dropped that onto the in the chat. You see that? Okay. A lot of fun, that is. We got 2 minutes to go. James, try using a computer browser. That's all you have to do. Yeah, use a computer browser. Here we go. Here we go. Is the after hours bounce as I predicted on a Thursday night. Good day all. It could go up 10% in the after hours. Good day all. It's a bit late. I'm dealing with Vanguard Association. Yada, yada, yada. So I'm going to put it to good use. Good stuff, Seth. Seth Houston. Was it you on Facebook requesting a friendship? No, it was Kai Shand. Is Kai Shand in the chat? He said he would be here and he wanted to get a friend request. Oh, we got 2 minutes to go. Where do the mugs get shipped from? In whatever country that you are in. I am with a company that is environmentally friendly. That's why I use them. If you are in the UK, the mug or any merchandise is made in the UK. If you're in America, it's made in America. If you're in Australia, it's made in Australia. If you're in Europe, it's made in Europe. So yes, it's made in your country. Okay, so there you go. I was joking, Martyn. I know you was, mate. I'm just giving you our time. Robinhood under 8. Are you loading up more? Let's have a look. I've just bought more. No. I have to buy the next round at 750. Otherwise, I will be about to implode with too much of everything. All right. Crag are the little hobbits on their phone on the toads. On their Todd are subscribed. Are the little hobbits? Oh, hang on a minute. I can't read all the comments. Here we go. Sold some profit on the S&P shares today. Oh, I sold the S&P 3 months ago at 17% up. You shouldn't be selling the S&P right now. You should be out of the S&P 3 months ago, waiting for further dips, which will come. Amazon and Apple are vastly overpriced, so be very, very careful. Where do you think of the hood? What do I think of the hood stock? I've got a review on my portfolio. Go and check it out. Oh my gosh, too many questions. I can't get through them all. We need to go members only again. Need to go members only for the pump after hours. Here we go. Ring the Sensei bell. Let's go back to Virgin Galactic in 3, 2, 1. There we go. We ring the bell and let's go straight back into SPCE. And there it is. Exactly as I said, it went up in the after hours. I said it would go up in the after hours, and it did. That was good, wasn't it? And it's come back down again. Oh, there we go. All right. Let's see what happens. I'm going to have a cup of coffee. We've got the plug earnings now. Kai Shand. Is Kai Shand here in the house? Hi all, great day. Paris. Yes, it is. The queen of self-braiding. Right then, I need... sorry, folks, but I have to go back to members only because I just cannot get through all of our members' questions, and that is what I have to do. Let's go over to members only. All right. I did miss a few because of that. Let me have a quick look. What's up, Ben? What's up, Ben? Ben Frazier. Hi all. Hello, Ben Frazier. How are you, mate? Where are you from? We've got members in 40... How many countries now? Members in 45 countries. Ben Frazier. Lovely to see you, Ben. I like the hat, by the way. I like it. How are you, Ben? Where are you from? I see it, says James. I see, said the blind man. Hi, Jojo. All my dreams come true if I believe it will happen. We all will be wealthy one day. Let's hold and see. I agree with that sentiment 100%. I purchased it before the rally. Kevin Schools. Martin, I ask you to glance over Lilium. We haven't got time now, I'm afraid. Kevin Schools, did you become a member today? I think you did, right? Yes, you did. Kevin Schools, ask me on the next show, and I will do a full back test for you on that, okay? All right? Okay. Let me get to the end. Now, folks, it's time. It's time now for Plug. We're going over to Plug earnings. Right, this is Plug. Let me clear the flags away in a second when we've run them all through once. It's time for Plug Power. So we're about to do that. If you want to join me for the Plug earnings, it's in the chat. I did. You did what? What did you do? I did. Will do. Thanks. Okay, great. Great. There's the Plug earnings. Join me for the Plug earnings in a minute. Oh, down she goes. Here we go. Have we got a beat or a miss? Let's have a quick look. Let's have a look. Can't see yet. I'm not buying any more. And I'm not chasing it down because I'm fully invested anyway. I'm not looking for a discount. I'm not looking to, I don't know enough about this stock to know what to do. Fair value on Amazon says Jojo S. It's still a good buy based on, no. Jojo S, it's too expensive. I don't agree. I don't agree that 162 is a fair value. I think you're overvaluing it, giving too much credence to the AI investments. I don't see that. Not yet, anyway. Yes, in time, but not yet. Martin, where can I find Funware earnings video? Where can I find the Funware earnings video? What video? What do you mean? Funware earnings video? What do you mean? What do you mean? Funware earnings video. Tell me what you mean, mate. Plug just died after hours. Yes. Let's have a look. Way. 1 week down, 3 months down, 3 months down, year to date. Yep. That's not looking good. Bloody hell, that's not looking good. Trading strategies for Plug before and after end. Yes, can I get the earnings call on their site? Can I get the earnings call on their site or where? You want the FFI? What do you want? What do you want? I'll give it to you. Funware. You want Funware link, do you? Okay, I'll give it to you. Okay. There you go. So at 4:30, yeah, it's today. There you go. We're covering Plug. You want that? There's the link for it. Go and enjoy it. I'm actually giving somebody a link to go somewhere else. That's nice. What crazy sort of person am I? There you go. If you go and fill that out, you can go and register for the earnings. God, help yourself. Go somewhere else. Watch something else. Dad, don't watch what I'm putting on, do you? Don't watch Plug Power. No, go and watch your Funware. Ooh. Right. Okay. I've just given him the link. He's got it. You're welcome. I haven't bought Plug yet. Stormy Norman. Right. Time to go over to Plug. We need to do a quick review of Plug. If you've not yet seen it, I put a video for Plug out last night. Have you all seen it? James
donated $7.24. Just to thank you for all you do. 0.000197662 BTC.
Bitcoin. Hey, you see how James? See, we can be members only and you can still comment on the show. That's how you do it, right? You can comment in the stream like that and it reads it out. How good is that? Right, no, all seriousness, look, if we look on Plug, there was a review. I did a review for it. Plug. Did I? No, I haven't. I haven't done a review for Plug. I apologize. I haven't done a review. So let's do one. Let's do one quick. Do one. Plug. Let's have a quick look at Plug right now. Plug Power. Right, over that valuation. Let's run it through our software. Here it goes. It will generate a score. Let's do it. We're looking at a best case undervalue. Base case 10%. Worst case at 368. But Plug is currently running in at $5.19. Oh, now it's going up. $5.19, and they are looking at it at $6. They're looking at it at $6 before it dropped. So you could be a base case. You are actually undervalued by 20% when it went down. So it's a good value. There's a good Wall Street of 158. It was a good buy when it dropped. Yes, it was a good buy when it dropped. Revenue is going up 14%. That looks good. 800 million, that's good. Let's look at the solvency. This is looking good. 5.6 on the balance sheet, 1.8 liabilities. Plug is looking good. Solvency 50 though. It's a little bit, it's not too bad. Profitability though right now is because they're investing heavily in the company. So it's not great, but we are moving in the right direction though. Solvency is okay. Anything over 35, 40 is okay. We want to see it higher, but the Wall Street price targets a 543% upswing, 158 and 9% at $6. So it's got a good. There was some inside selling from the key accounts. Who sold $230,000 worth of Plug. That's nothing at all. Not concerned about that. That was October the 2nd, a month ago. Not concerned by that amount. Okay, so there we go. Plug Power is good at that valuation of where it went down a few moments ago. Definitely. If we go back to Plug, yep, that drop is good. That drop is good. That drop there, 497. It's gone up now. I just don't think I can buy any more stock. It's a good valuation. I'm just, yeah. Have they beaten earnings? Let's have a look. Estimated to be losing 30 cents a share. They're losing 47 cents a share. Ouch, it's a big miss. It's a big miss. But they are heavily investing though. So what I would do is it's going to be profitable in time. It's not going to make any money until next year. But it's not looking good at the moment. I would be looking at trying to buy this tomorrow. It is an overreaction. It is oversold right now. However, I'd be looking at buying it tomorrow, not now. But to be fair, it's what I can't really get in. I can't really buy anymore. Right, we need to go to the fun where we need to go to the Plug earnings and listen in. We need to go and listen to the Plug earnings. Let's refresh that. Oh, hell. Oh, hang on. 4:30. Pacific. Hang on, what time is this? It's scheduled for Thursday, November the 9th, 4:30. Oh, bloody hell, it's 15 minutes. Ha! I've got to go to the earnings, folks. We are very tight for time. I've got to go straight over to the earnings. Let me give everybody the link. There's the plug earnings in the chat. Let me give that to you. It starts in 15 minutes. There's the plug in the chat. You've got the link. Let me give everybody, give everybody an automatic link. Come and join me. Before I go, can everyone smash the like button, please? You've let me down. No one smashed a like. Let me send you over the plug right now. Okay, here we go. Let me send you the plug. Redirect. Plug earnings live. There it is. We've got to go there now. Right, smash the like button. I've got to get out of it. I will see you on the plug earnings in just a couple of moments' time. I haven't even got a chance to finish off nicely. We're straight over to plug earnings. See you back in literally as fast as I can get there. Join me on the plug earnings in a minute. It's good value at where it was. I'm going to wait for the morning, but to be honest, I'm already fully invested. I don't think I can afford to buy anything else at this stage. Otherwise, I'm walking on a tightrope. See you back in literally 1 minute. Don't go away.